Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you my this little makeup closet that I have collected over years. As this video would be too long, so I'll be covering up my next two drawers in my next video. These drawers basically have all my skincare products and hair products. Okay, now I will start with this part of my section of my vanity, that is the lipstick, which is my favorite part. I have like more than 100 numbers of lip shades which I bought by myself, and yeah, everything I'll show you here today are all bought by my own. So I have collected this from several brands, and if you all don't know me guys, then let me tell you that I would freaking die for lipsticks. Okay, so this part I have kept the ones which I rarely used. I have all the shades from Nykaa Ultra Matte range. These are the nude ones. I have two darker shades of the range. This is my favorite one. This is also my favorite. These are the Sugar Put Me On liquid lipsticks. These are the darker colors which I rarely use. This is the one from their range. This is a very pretty color. This is a peachy kind of shade. I remember I used to wear this a lot during summers. I don't know why I don't use it now. These are quite a good matte. These are from Lakme 9 to 5 range. I used to wear these lipsticks earlier when I barely have any other lipsticks, like 4 to 5 years back. These lipsticks I got from one of the local stores here. These are quite good lipsticks. I have I think I have 8 of them. It's one of a brand called Melin. This is the Oriflame liquid lipsticks. So pretty color. This one is from Color Bar. This is from NYX. This is my favorite color. This is from Miss Claire. This is from Miss Claire again. This is from NYX. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 matte lipsticks. This is from L'Oreal. This is from Faces. This is from L'Oreal. This one is from Nykaa. This I have shown you earlier, I guess. This is the Maybelline one. This is also from Maybelline. So coming to this part of the section. Okay, now I have these two lipsticks from Huda Beauty. These are the bullet ones. These are the Smashbox liquid lipstick. These are all the crayon lipsticks. These are all from Sugar. This is from Nykaa. This is from Faces. This is from Sugar again. This one is from Clinique. This is from MAC. This is from MAC. This is from Sugar. These two are from K Beauty. These are the Sugar bullet lipsticks. These three are from PAC Cosmetics. These are very good matte lipsticks. This one is from Color Bar. This is from Maybelline. These three are from Nykaa. This is a mini gloss from Bobbi Brown. Coming to the third section of the lipsticks. Here I have the Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipsticks. These are my favorite lipsticks, you guys. These are from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I have these 4 shades from the range. These are the Sugar liquid lipsticks. This one is from NYX. This is from Smashbox. This is from L'Oreal. This one is the new Miss Claire liquid lipsticks. I have ordered few more lipsticks of this range which has not been arrived. This 4 lipsticks are from Huda Beauty. These are the nude ones. These 4 are from L'Oreal. These are all the liquid lipsticks, liquid matte, very long lasting, you guys. But coming to this part of my vanity, I have kept all my loose powders and bronzers here. This one is from Makeup Revolution banana powder. This is the Bahama Mama bronzer from the brand called Balm. You have seen this on my previous videos. This one is from Becca. This is a loose powder. This is from Sugar. This is also a loose powder. This is the MAC Studio Fix. This is the Nykaa loose powder. This is the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss bronzer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This one is also from Sugar. This is the Milani bronzer. This one is from L'Oreal. Coming to the next part, I have kept all the foundations and concealers in this section. This is from Huda Beauty. This is my favorite one, my go-to foundation which I always use. This is from NYX. This one is from L'Oreal. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is the Maybelline Matte Poreless foundation. This one is from L'Oreal. This is a concealer. This is from Maybelline. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I bought this from Sephora when I traveled Singapore back on 2019. And this is from Sugar. This is from Sugar. This is from NYX. This one is a concealer. This is from Maybelline. This is the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. This is from MAC. This is from Milani. And this one, the last one, is from Faces Canada. Coming to this section now, I have kept all the highlighters and blush in this part. This is the L'Oreal blush. This one is from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal liquid highlighter. This one is Becca highlighter. This one is the Maybelline highlighter and contour duo. This one is from Maybelline. This one is from Maybelline also, I guess. These two are from Sugar. This is from Wet n Wild. This one is from Bobbi Brown. This is also from Bobbi Brown. Both of them are highlighters. This is from Nykaa. This is from MAC. This one is from Nykaa again. This is a blush. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is from Miss Claire. In this part, I have kept all my primers and makeup fixers. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. This is from L'Oreal Infallible. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is from Smashbox. These are all the minis that I have received. This is from Bobbi Brown. This one is from Smashbox. This one is from Smashbox. This is from Smashbox. This is from Lakme. This one is from Smashbox too. This is the L'Oreal CC cream. This one is Makeup Revolution primer. This one is the L'Oreal CC cream. This one is from Bobbi Brown. This is also from Bobbi Brown. I have not used this yet. Okay, the last part is the eye section. This one is the eyebrow pomade. This is from Pack Cosmetics. Okay, this is the Benefit Brow eyebrow gel. This is the Brow Jinx from Benefit. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. These are from Smashbox mascara. This is the one from Pack. This is the L'Oreal mascara. This is from Maybelline. These are my favorite ones. These are from L'Oreal. This is also a mascara. Okay, where do I start from? These are the L'Oreal eye gel. These are glitters, eye glitters from Makeup Revolution. These are the Lakme 95 eye gel. These are the K-Beauty lip topper. Why is this in this section? I should keep it here. These two are the eye glitters from Swiss Beauty, and these are the eye glitters from Makeup Revolution. This is also a mascara from Color Bar. This is from Sugar. This is a tweezer. These are all eye pencils, different colors of eye pencils. This is from LA Girl. This is from Sugar. This is from Sugar. This is from Color Bar. This is from Sugar. These are all the liners. There's a liner from Color Bar. I generally used liners from Color Bar only because I don't know why, I quite like this brand, especially for liners. This is a Maybelline one. Oh, these two are from Color Bar. These two from Color Bar. This is from Sugar. This is a Bobbi Brown mascara. This is from Revlon. This is from Color Bar. This is from L'Oreal. This is also a liner. This one is a glitter from Wet n Wild. This is a Maybelline Colossal liner. This is also my favorite ones. This is a white pencil from Color Bar. This is from Sugar. This is from K-Beauty. This is from the brand Nika. This one is from Sugar. I have like so many pencils, eye pencils. Why don't I use this in my videos? I don't know why I don't use this in my videos. Like, this is itself is a mess. So that is it, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to the bell icon so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a new video. Bye.